Hello, welcome to Pop Along RC, and today we are talking RC cars. And do you know what? I think you're right there.
Yeah, just checking the suspension out on it.
I think we need to talk a little bit more about the FTX Apache here.
Now, we haven't used this car very much. We used it when we got it, and we did a little unboxing and bits and pieces, and it was amazing on a BMX track, weren't it?
I've got to confess, you haven't used it much. I've been using it loads because this is actually, it's one of my favourite cars.
Yeah.
Because I ran this at the Pop Along GP last year.
Oh yeah, you did.
Which was amazing. And I've been taking it out of my son. I've taken him to the Sunderland Bash. And this week...
Has it broken at all?
No.
Wow.
So that's been driven by a kid around a field, over jumps, and we took it to the BMX track. Did the Pop Along GP. Now, this week, we took it to a proper Astro track. And do you know what? It did amazingly around that as well. So this car is ready to run, straight out of box, comes with a 3S battery, it comes with oil-filled shocks, the radio it comes with, you can turn the speed down to make it even more drivable for younger drivers. It seems to be pretty durable and pretty hardy, looks fantastic.
It's fast as well.
It is fast, and if you really want to, you can wheelie it as well.
You can wheelie it. Yeah.
So I think for the money, you can't go wrong.
It's got lights on it as well.
It has. I've disconnected the lights though.
Yeah. But no, it is a good car. We vouch a lot for the FTX stuff. This is particularly good because it's super strong, and we haven't actually, and we put it through its paces, to be fair. And also, being that we're in the UK here, if you're looking for one of these, spares are easy to get.
They are indeed. So you can get your spares from most local model shops. Now there are actually rumours that there are going to be upgrades incoming for this car. So I'm hoping to get hold of some upgrades because this car's been kind to me. I've really enjoyed driving this car over the last year. So I want to give a little bit of TLC back to it. Maybe bling it up a little bit just for fun because we love a bit of bling on the channel, don't we?
So where can I get these from then?
Well, funny you should say that. They've got them in stock at Rochester RC. And if you use discount code POPALONGRC, you get a discount. at
So
the
there you go.
checkout.
It's worth a go, and they don't
Definitely.
charge it. They don't charge you for shipping, which is good. But we vouch for this car. It's a strong car. It's durable. It's fast. It's just about everything you want if you're going to go bashing. Or if there's a few of you and you've all got one of these each, goodness me, you'll have a laugh with it, won't you?
Exactly. Now, that is what we're leading on to next, because what I would love to do is not necessarily on the scale of the Sunderland Bash, but a slightly smaller meetup, just short course trucks, maybe just Apaches, Zorros, Centons.
You say short course, but the American friends don't like it when you say that.
Oh, because it's a trophy truck, isn't it?
A stadium truck.
No, the stadium trucks are the ones that they do at the MKGP. This is a short course truck or trophy truck.
Oh, fine, whatever.
There you go.
Well, you got it right this time.
I did get it
didn't
right.
you?
There you go. Anyway, I'd love to do a race. So maybe you got the Traxxas Slash, the Zorro, and the Centon. Get some of those up against this and just have a little race around a little short course or a short track. Think it'll be fun.
Yeah.
Speaking of tracks, boss, we have actually got a little bit of news coming up very soon about another track.
We certainly have. But should we leave that for another video?
We'll leave that for another video.
Right.
So here we are, Mark. You've dissed the old Tamiya truck racing, and you've always said that you're not a massive fan of the short course trucks, but you're flying around here at the moment. What do you reckon?
It's good. It is good fun. I'll give you that. It is good fun. But these were a thing back in the day, weren't they? They've not really resurrected this class, haven't they?
They are, but for a ready to run going around this track, handles quite well, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's good fun. A bunch of these around here.
Brilliant. You'd only need 5 or 6 to have a proper race on
You'll
this
have a
size
right
track.
laugh. You'll have a right laugh. Yeah, it'll be good.
You can let me have a go now.
Yeah, go on then.
But yeah, if you're interested in joining us for some short course racing, do pop it in the comments down below, and hopefully you can pop along and have a play sometime soon.